So in this apartments.com tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to find rooms for rent here on apartments.com. So you open up apartments.com, type in your location. Once that is all done, press on the search icon. So instead of looking for like an actual condo or a house or whatever, and you just want to look for a specific room that's being offered for rent, how you do that is you go to the top right to where it says all filters and press on that. Once you're on the all filters page, just scroll down, keep scrolling down to where it says show only, and then make sure that rooms for rent right here is checked. Once that is done, press on see results. Now, what you're going to be seeing is a bunch of different listings that are offering rooms for rent. So you can go ahead and explore that for yourself if you wish. You can also remove the boundary if you want to see some other areas. Whatever the case may be, that is pretty straightforward and in front of you. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to find rooms for rent on apartments.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.